Unit 5, Mixed Review, number 13. The hundredths model is shaded to represent a division problem. What equation is represented by the model? So, first of all, it tells us that this is a division problem. And so we know we're dividing something. Remember, division is just another word for splitting. And so on division, it's always a whole divided by a part equals a part. And so we need the whole, the total that's being split. That's going to be all of the shaded area. So if we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. So 6 by 7 is 42. Or you could just count each of the boxes. Now remember, those are 42 hundredths. Hundredths are the little squares because there's 100 of them in one whole. And so that is 42 hundredths. Our whole is going to be 42 hundredths, 0.42. Divided by, well, what is it being split into? Well, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 groups. So we're dividing by 7. Now for the answer, it's what's in each of those sections. What's in each of those 7 pieces. And so if we look back at just one of those pieces, change colors here. So one of those pieces has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hundredths. And so it would be 0.06. And so the equation being represented here is 42 hundredths divided by 7 equals 6 hundredths.